Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our channel Ankit Chaturvedi Lecture of Science, and today I am start benzene and its derivative multiple choice question most important. So listen carefully and watch full video. These questions are very important. B form, defined and GPADs. So start. Benzene is an aliphatic compound, aromatic compound, heterocyclic compound. D. None of the above. This question is right answer, aromatic compound. The molecular formula for the benzene is C6H5, C6H4, C6H6, C6H7. This question is right answer C. C6H6 benzene का फार्मूला ये होता है C6H6. Question 3. Which statement of the following gives false about benzene? It is immiscible with water forming the lower layer. It is a planar molecule with bond angle 120 degree. C. It can be converted into cycloheptane by hydrogenation at 200 degrees Celsius in presence of Ni catalyst. D इसका ऑप्शन है. It react with ethyl chloride in presence of 0 aluminum chloride to form ethyl benzene. This question is right answer C. It can be converted into cycloheptane by hydrogenation at 200 degrees Celsius in presence of Ni catalyst. The carbon atoms in benzene ring are sp3 hybridized, sp hybridized, sp2 hybridized, none of these. This question is right answer C. sp2 hybridized. The carbon-carbon bond length in benzene is A greater than the CC bond length in ethylene. B shorter than the carbon-carbon bond length in ethylene. C same as the carbon-carbon bond length in ethylene. D intermediate between carbon-carbon bond length in ethane and carbon-carbon bond length in ethylene. This question is right answer C. Immediate between carbon-carbon bond length in the ethylene and carbon-carbon bond length in ethylene. Next question 6. Characteristic reaction of aromatics hydrocarbon initiated by electrophiles, nucleophiles, free radicals, D unchanged molecules. This question is right answer A. Electrophiles. Question 7. Which of the following can be made by reaction of CH3Cl on benzene in presence of LCl3? Oxylene, M-oxylene, ethyl benzene, chlorobenzene. This question is right answer A. O-oxylene. Question 8. For reaction of ethyl benzene, the ethyl group is considered ortho-director, ortho-para-director, meta-director, ortho-para, ortho-meta-director. This question is right answer B. Ortho-para-director. Question 9. Toluene react with bromine in presence of UV light to give M-bromotoluene benzyl bromide, O-bromotoluene benzoyl bromide. This question is right answer B. Benzyl bromide. Toluene undergoes oxidation to give benzyl alcohol, quinone, benzaldehyde, benzoic acid. This question is right answer D, benzoic acid. Benzene undergoes substitution reaction more easily than addition reaction because it has cyclic structure, it has double bonds, it has 6 hydrogen atoms, there are decolization of electron. This question is right answer D. There is decolized of E. Next question 12. Benzene react with conc HNO3 in presence of conc H2SO4 to give nitrobenzene. This is an example of A. Electrophilic substitution, B. Electrophilic addition, C. Nucleophilic substitution, and D. Nucleophilic addition. This question is right answer A. Electrophilic substitution. Next question 13. Benzene react with conc HNO3 to give nitrobenzene in presence of what? FeCl3 catalyst, UV light conc H2SO4 and last AlCl3 catalyst. This question is right answer C. Conc H2SO4. Benzene react with acetyl chloride to give acetophenone in presence of following agent: A. UV light, B. AlCl3 catalyst, C. Al2O3 catalyst, D. platinum catalyst. This question is right answer B. AlCl3 catalyst. Next 15. The electrophile which is considered to be the active agent in the nitration of benzene is NO2 negative, NO minus, NO2 positive, HNO2, and this question is right answer C. NO2 positive. Question. In chlorination of benzene, FeCl3 is used to generate Cl negative, Cl positive, Cl2 HCl. This question is right answer Cl positive B. B right answer is इसका. In solution of benzene is the attracting species is SO2, hydrogen ion, SO3, HSO4 negative. This question is right answer C. SO3. Benzene reacts with H2 at 150 degrees Celsius at 30 atm in presence of Ni catalyst to give cyclohexane, 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 N-hexane, none of the above. This question is right answer A. Cyclohexane. Question 19. Benzene react with acetic anhydride in presence of AlCl3 to form benzophenone, acetophenone, phenene acetate, cyclobenzene. This question is right answer B. Acetophenone. This video is last question 20 part 1 video and second part video लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में हम डाल देंगे. सेकंड पार्ट का 20 क्वेश्चन और रहेगा. इसमें 40 क्वेश्चन का हम पूरा लेके आए हैं इस चैप्टर में और ये हमारा 20 लास्ट क्वेश्चन है पार्ट 1 वीडियो का. पार्ट 2 का हम लिंक डाल देंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन में। चलिए देखते हैं 20 क्वेश्चन। बेंजीन रिएक्ट विथ बेंजोइल क्लोराइड इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनहाइड्रस एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड टू फॉर्म बेंजिल क्लोराइड, बेंजोइल क्लोराइड, बेंजल्डिहाइड, बेंजोफिनोन। So this question is right answer D, बेंजोफिनोन।